so today I'm pranking Wilson. He's showering and whenever he finishes showering he always blow dries his hair. So I've got a blow dry and I've got powder and I'm going to put the powder in the blow dry so when he turns it on it will splash more and make him get so angry because he just washed his hair. He's finished. I need to put the camera somewhere. Oh god. I put it in the closet and let's hope it works.
I just showered. Stop. I just showered.
Payback!
You probably ruined the blow dryer.
No, I tested it.
My face actually feels smoother.